Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Inspect the battery for swelling, tears, or loose pins. This prevents thermal events. Next, connect the factory or specified charger. Match voltage and chemistry exactly, because mismatch causes damage. Once connected, set the charger or drone to the recommended charge mode. Many use a balance or standard mode for LiPo packs. Make sure the area is clear on a non-flammable surface and that you remain nearby to monitor the initial minutes. Once charging begins, you monitor the process closely. Balanced charging equalizes each cell to prevent overvoltage on any single cell, which is why you always use balance mode for multi-cell LiPo packs. Watch the charger display for individual cell voltages and total current. Discrepancies greater than 0.05 V mean attention is needed. If the battery is older or cold, lower the current to the manufacturer's safe level. This preserves capacity and reduces heat buildup while still completing the charge reliably. You finish by stopping at the recommended full voltage, typically 420 V per cell for LiPo, because overcharging causes fire risk. Once charged, allow the pack to cool to room temp, then either install in the drone or set to storage voltage around 3.85 V per cell if you won't use it soon. This prolongs battery life. If you see swelling, excessive heat, strange smells, or cell voltages that differ widely, disconnect. Move the pack to a safe, isolated area and follow disposal procedures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.